Go to the EMS Availability Login page, enter your ID and password, click the navigation button. You are now in the main navigation window. Click on the Training Events icon. You are now in the Events window. Future events and training sessions will be posted here. Currently, there are 3 classes scheduled. Click on the Pick Event icon to display details about a specific program. Should you decide to attend the class, make sure the Yes button is selected. Then click on the Add Me to the Event icon. You are now registered for that training opportunity. EMA is also notified of your intent to attend the class. Should you wish to change your participation status for a class or event, click on the specific record and make changes in the pop-down menu. Changes are automatically saved. You can also use this module to display training certificates you have earned. Click on the View Certificates icon. A list of certificates will appear. Click on a row to display that certificate.